In this video, I'll show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Mac OS. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, including Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. To get started, use the download link in the video description. This link will take you directly to the MySQL Community Downloads page. On this page, make sure Mac OS is selected as the operating system. You'll now see two Mac OS versions available, Mac OS ARM 64-bit and Mac OS X 86 64-bit. Before downloading, you need to know which one your Mac uses. To check this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, your Mac uses Apple Silicon. In this case, download Mac OS ARM 64-bit. If you see Intel, your Mac uses an Intel processor. In this case, download Mac OS X 86 64-bit. Once you've selected the correct version, click Download. If you're asked to sign in or create an account, you can skip this step. Just click No Thanks, just start my download. The download will now start, and this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download completes, open the DMG file. When the window opens, drag MySQL Workbench into the Applications folder. Once the copy is finished, close the window, then move the installer to the trash to clean up your Mac. Now, go to Applications and open MySQL Workbench. If Mac OS displays a security message, click Open to confirm. MySQL Workbench will now launch successfully, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed MySQL Workbench on Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.